What is up, guys? We're currently at my house installing spacers on my Tacoma. I already installed one of the ones in the rear and it actually looks pretty dope. Look at the difference from the front and that rear wheel. It's looking sick. It actually looks much better because it used to look like it skipped leg day, but now we got a little bit of poke on it and I'm actually digging it. It looks great. So it is the next day and I got a little toy in the mail. I ordered a 1700 PSI Craftsman electric pressure washer and I'm gonna get ready and wash the truck because tomorrow we're going to a car meet. It's called Rigs and Tuners, so there's gonna be like lifted Tacomas and all that off-roading vehicle stuff and JDMs. So I'm gonna wash it, try out this new pressure washer, see how good it works, and go to the event tomorrow. So now that there's a little bit of light outside, I don't know if you can tell, but the wheels do poke out a lot. It looks so much beefier. It used to look like a skinny truck, but I actually really dig the way that it turned out looking. So let's hook this pressure washer up, put some soap in that foam cannon, and get to washing. It is dark already, but we got the truck nice and clean now, and it is a pretty good pressure washer if you're just gonna use it to like do small things and like, for example, to wash your car. It works well. The reason I bought this one is because I have a big pressure washer in the garage, but it's just too much of a hassle to bring it out, bring everything out, and then roll everything up and put it back in. This was much easier to take apart, and I'm guessing it's gonna be easier to put everything back away. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. This one here was pretty crazy for me, guys, because I've never seen a small car with a tent other than that guy in the red NSX on social media that goes camping. But it was a pretty great turnout after all. Small but super chill car meet. Saw some friends and met some cool people with cool cars, so we had a great time. My dad loved all the Tacomas that were there. He's a huge Tacoma fan, and we're actually trying to convince him to buy a Tacoma, so we'll see how that works out. But that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.